Topic number 8. Rights and Duties in Jurisprudence. Part A. Introduction to Rights and Duties. Definition of rights and duties. Rights and duties are fundamental concepts in jurisprudence, forming the basis of law and governance in any society. Rights are privileges or entitlements that individuals possess, either inherently or granted by law. They allow people to act in certain ways or demand specific treatments from others. Duties are obligations or responsibilities imposed on individuals, requiring them to act or refrain from acting in a particular manner to ensure social harmony. For example, the right to life means individuals are entitled to live without unlawful harm, and this correlates with the duty of others not to harm or kill anyone unlawfully. Importance of rights and duties in jurisprudence. Jurisprudence, which is the study and philosophy of law, examines rights and duties to understand legal systems, justice, and ethical responsibilities. The significance of rights and duties includes 1. Ensuring justice. Rights provide individuals with legal protection, while duties ensure fairness and balance in society. 2. Maintaining order. Laws define rights and impose duties, ensuring that people behave responsibly. 3. Protecting freedom. Rights safeguard personal freedoms, while duties prevent individuals from misusing these freedoms. 4. Promoting social welfare. Rights such as education and healthcare improve societal conditions, while duties like paying taxes contribute to public welfare. For instance, Article 17 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, 1948, grants individuals the right to own property, and laws ensure this right is protected. Similarly, Article 25 of the Constitution of Pakistan, 1973, imposes a duty on the state to provide free education to children aged 5 to 16 years. Relationship between rights and duties. Rights and duties are interconnected. Every right carries a corresponding duty, and fulfilling duties ensures that rights are respected. This relationship maintains social and legal harmony. Example 1. If individuals have the right to a clean environment, others have a duty not to pollute. Example 2. Citizens have the right to security, and the government has a duty to provide law enforcement. Legal reference. Article 9 of the Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 protects the right to life, which imposes a duty on the state to ensure security and safety. Environmental Protection Act, 1997, Pakistan enforces the duty to maintain environmental sustainability. 2 types of rights. Rights can be classified into various categories based on their source and nature. The main types include natural rights, legal rights, and moral rights. 1. Natural rights. Natural rights are those that individuals possess simply because they are human. These rights exist independently of laws and governments and are considered universal and inalienable. Examples of natural rights. Right to life. Every person has the right to live and not be harmed unlawfully. Right to liberty. Individuals have the right to move freely and make choices. Right to property. People can own and use property without interference. Legal references. Article 3 of the UDHR, 1948 states that everyone has the right to life, liberty, and security of person. Article 9 of the Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 guarantees the right to life and liberty. Case law. John Locke's theory of natural rights recognized life, liberty, and property as fundamental human rights. 2. Legal rights. Legal rights are granted by laws and can be enforced by courts. These rights vary from country to country and can be changed through legislation. Examples of legal rights. Right to vote. Citizens have the legal right to participate in elections. Right to education. Governments provide education as a fundamental right. Right to a fair trial. Individuals accused of crimes are entitled to legal representation and a just trial. Legal references. Article 21 of the ICCPR, 1966 recognizes the right to vote. Article 25 of the Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 guarantees free and compulsory education. Case law. Gideon v. Wainwright, 1963, USA established the right to legal representation in criminal cases. 3. Moral rights. Moral rights are based on ethical principles rather than laws. Although they are not legally enforceable, they influence laws and social behavior. Examples of moral rights. Right to freedom of speech. People should be able to express their opinions freely. Right to privacy. Individuals should have control over their personal information. Legal references. Article 19 of the UDHR, 1948 recognizes freedom of speech. Article 14 of the Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 protects personal privacy. 3 types of duties. Duties can be classified into 3 categories: moral duties, legal duties, and social duties.